So to remove the center console of the Nissan X-Trail, you have to start from taking out this plastic, and secondly this one. Same on the other side, on the driver's side. There's only one, so you have to take off this one. So 3 plastics there, and then you have to pry this plastic, this piece. So you have to put like a plastic pry tool and pull it up, and this will like come straight up. It's held by 4 plug kind of things, so you just have to pull it up, so it'll remove. So 1, 2, 3 on the other side, and you pull this one up, 4, and then you'll see 1, 2 screws on either side. So that's step 5. You take that off, and step 6 will be removing these bolts here, this one here, and there's another one on the other side. So that's the other step. So once you've done that, the other thing is like you'll have to remove this plastic here. So you can just lift it up from here like that, and then you'll see there's a bolt here, so you have to unscrew that. So once you do all that, it's super easy after that. Just lift up the whole console. Just make sure that it's like hooks inside here in this plastic like this. So you can't pull it this side. You have to like push it, lift it up, and take it off like gently. So the plan is to remove this plastic, the whole thing. So you have to start with removing this piece of plastic. I think it was like this. Yeah, it's like this, and this goes here, like this. So it was like this. So first you need to just pull this plastic out. It doesn't it's not locked with any screws, so you just have to be careful when you're pulling it out. Pull it from down and to an angle like this, because there's something that locks there. And once you get that off, it will be like this. This piece was like this, so you have 1 screw here. You take it off, and this will be locked like this with a couple of plastic lock thingies. So, and pry a bit, and it should come off. I think you'll have to be careful not to break this small locks. That's good. So, and then you'll find a screw here. You take it off. Then you come to the driver's side, and from this side it looks like there's a screw here. Yeah, right there. So you gotta take that off, and then I'm assuming there's a screw somewhere here. Yeah, should be good. So yeah, that screw was there. Took it off. So the plastic piece will look like this. So it's held by these little hooks. Yeah, just not too hard to pull it up. So yeah, that's gone. And then you have a screw here, so you have to take this one off. And the final piece to remove is this bolt right here. So once that's removed, you can just pull it up and it'll come. So there's like this kind of clips hanging in here, so you have to like tilt it a bit, but it will come off. So yes, there were like screws here, 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 these two, and one at the back, and this side, as I showed you before, and the final one was this, and I did not see that, so I broke it. But yeah, that's the one you should have captured. Yep. So after that, this thing will come right up, no resistance.